Our next topic is about divisibility rule. A number is divisible by another number if we can divide exactly or without remainder. Example, is 8 divisible by 4? Okay, so itry nating i-divide. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Therefore, 8 is divisible by 4. Next, another, is 16 divisible by 2? Okay, let's divide. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. So, exact number yung nakuha natin or without remainder. Therefore, 16 is divisible by 2. Next is 162,345,228 divisible by 4? Oh my, the number is too big. Ang laki. Million naman na. Pero pwede, can I use my calculator? Pwede yan pag meron kang calculator. I-divide mo lang. Pero kung wala, for example, andun ka sa board exam or sa exam proper, hindi ka tapos sinabi nilang hindi mo pwedeng gamitin ang calculator mo, paano mo malalaman na yung number na yun ay divisible by 4? Okay? So, these are the tips. Sa 2 muna tayo. Divisibility rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. For example, 2,678. So, malalaman natin na divisible by 2 siya kung yung last digit niya ay 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So, since the last digit of this number is 8, therefore, it is divisible by 2. Next, 3,245,674. So, tignan ulit natin yung last digit which is 4. So, kasali pa rin siya dun sa last digit na malalaman natin kung ito ay divisible by 2. So, yes, it is divisible by 2. Another is divisibility rule for 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Okay, for example, 123. So, sabi niya, the sum of the digits. So, pag plaplasin natin, i-add natin yung 1, 2, 3. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes, kasi 6 divided by 3 is 2. Therefore, the number is divisible by 3. Next, 2,262. So, pag-addin natin yung 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. So, 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2 is 12. So, 12 is divisible by 3 because 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, therefore, 2,262 is divisible by 3. Next is the divisibility rule for 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4. Example, 3,024. So, titingnan lang natin yung last two digits which is 24 if divisible siya ng 4. So, 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Therefore, the number is divisible by 4. Next, 125,116. So, tingnan ulit natin yung last two digits which is 16 and then is 16 divisible by 4? Yes, because 16 divided by 4 is 4. Next is the divisibility rule for 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its last digit is either 0 or 5. Okay, example, 3,020. its last digit is 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 5. Next, 6,735. So, yung last digit niya ay 5. Therefore, yes, divisible siya ng 5. Another is the divisibility rule for 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it's both divisible by 2 and 3. Okay? So, 594. So, paano ba na natin malalaman kung divisible by 2 siya? Tingnan lang natin yung last digit. Kung 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, kung andon yung last digit niya, ibig sabihin, divisible by 2 siya. Since the last digit is 4, it is divisible by 2. Next, let's check if it is divisible by 3. So, sa divisibility rule for 3, i-add natin yung numbers. So, 5 plus 9 plus 4. So, 5 plus 9 is 14, plus 4 is 18. So, 18 is divisible by 3. Kasi 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Therefore, 594 is divisible by 6. Next, 1,518. So, the last digit is 8. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Next, let's add the digits kung divisible by 3 siya. So, 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 8. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 is 7, plus 8 is 15. So, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Therefore, 1,518 is divisible by 6. Next, divisibility rule for number 7. A number is divisible by 7 if subtracting 2 times its last digit from the remaining digit gives you an answer of 0 or divisible by 7. Okay, let's see. 742. Sabi niya, yung last digit daw, i-multiply natin ng 2. So, the last digit is 2 times 2. So, 4. And then, isubtract natin sa remaining digit. Yung remaining digit na sinasabi niya is 74. So, 74 minus 4 is equal to 70. Kung yung sagot ay divisible siya ng 7, ibig sabihin, yung number na yun is divisible by 7. So, therefore, 742 is divisible by 7. Another example is 189. So, yung last digit, i-multiply natin ng 2. So, yung last digit niya is 9. So, times 2 equals 18. And then, subtract the remaining digits from the remaining digits, which is 18. So, 18 minus 18 is 0. Sabi niya rin sa rule na kapag binigyan kanya ng answer na 0, ito ay divisible by 7. So, 189 is divisible by 7. Another is the divisibility rule for 8. A number is divisible by 8 if its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. So, dito naman, titingnan lang natin yung last 3 digits. For example, 53,048. So, yung last 3 digits is 048. Then, tingnan natin kung divisible ba siya sa 8. So, 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. Therefore, yung number na yon na 53,048 ay divisible by 8. Another is 25,104. So, yung last digit niya is 104. So, kapag dinivide natin 104 divided by 8 is 23. Therefore, yung number na 25,104 is divisible by 8. Another is the divisibility rule for 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So, pag-aadin ulit natin yung mga numbers. Okay? For example, 35,217. So, let's add 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7. Kapag yung sagot niya ay divisible by 9, ibig sabihin yung number na yun is divisible by 9. So, 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 1, 11, plus 17, 18. So, is 18 divisible by 9? Yes, because 18 divided by 9 is 2. Therefore, 35,217 is divisible by 9. Next is 29,718. So, pagpa-plusin ulit natin, 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 8. So, 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 7, 18, plus 1, 19, plus 8, 27. So, 27 divided by 9 is 3. Therefore, 29,718 is divisible by 9. Next, divisibility rule for 10. Ito pinakamadali. A number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. So, kapag 0 na yung last niya, automatic divisible na siya sa 10. 5 ay 57,890. So, since ang last digit niya is 0, ibig sabihin, yes, divisible siya sa 10. Another is 489,120. Yung last digit niya again is 0. Therefore, divisible by 10 siya. And next, divisibility rule for 11. A number is divisible by 11 if after forming the alternating sum of the digits, the result is 0 or divisible by 11. Okay. So, let's try. 918,082. So, sabi niya alternating sum. So, 9, ganito siya. 9 minus 1 plus 8 minus 0 plus 8 minus 2. So, alternate yung addition and subtraction. So, 9 minus 1 is 8 plus 8, 16 minus 0, 16 plus 8, 24 minus 2, 22. Kung yung sagot ay 0 or divisible by 11, ibig sabihin yung number na yun is divisible by 11. So, 22 is divisible by 11. Next, 9,856. So, let's perform the alternating sum. So, 9 minus 8 plus 5 minus 6. So, 9 minus 8 is 1. Plus 5, 6, minus 6 is 0. Therefore, 9,856 is divisible by 11.